And why did I just sound like Mrs. Doubtfire? I'm sorry. Forgive me. I haven't done this in a while. Hi, guys. Wow, the comments. I'm sorry. My life happened, and I never did another video. I'm really, really sorry. But yeah, life happened, and all is well. And welcome to my bedroom. I look really, really not so bad right now, so I thought I'd tape a little something for you. Hair product. I spoke of hair product and keeping your silver. Oh, this is pink. It's a thing for breast cancer months ago, and it's growing out now. But it was pink at one point. Now it's, I don't know what it is now. Anyway, I digress. I'm not looking at the camera. I use a blue shampoo. A lot of you were wondering what that was, and I'm showing you it now. I'm horrible at this, I apologize. It's from Fido, it's Vitargent, it's a blue shampoo. I use it probably once every week and a half, and then I use regular shampoo the rest of the time. I have only been able to find this at Target. I'm sure you can find it somewhere else if you're more talented than me. I just said Target, I don't know why. I can only find this on Amazon, not Target. I can only find it on Amazon. It's brilliant. I love it. There are tons of blue shampoos out there in the world, and they all work okay, but this one, Fido, Vitargent, can you see the logo there? A little teeny blue can is the best. Don't use it more often than what I just said, however, unless you want purpley hair. But if you want purple hair, go for it. Anyway, it is a little spendy, I think. Last time I purchased it, well, I think it was $25 or something like that. And for a little bottle of shampoo, that's probably spendy. It's spendy to me. But it's so worth it. It's so worth it. And yeah, that's it. That's all I've got. But I will pay attention now. And maybe share some makeup or something. I don't know. A few of you had questions about how I do my eyebrows and what I apply, and maybe that'll be next. Anyway, that's it. See you next time, and I won't be Mrs. Doubtfire or weird or anything. Okay, I will. I'll totally be weird. Okay, bye!